4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 little duckies. Wait, how many ducks do we have? That should be enough. Oh, they're all excited now. Well, good morning, good duckies. Jason here at Green Country Agriculture. Hi, how you doing? Hi. Hello, I got food here. You guys want some of this stuff, huh? You guys want some of this? I'm going to take this with me. Come on, let's go get some food, yeah? Yeah. Get your pond cleared out. You know, oh my goodness. We haven't done this in a while. You guys hungry? You guys hungry? Are you guys hungry? Duckies. Oh, duckies. Oh, duckies. Oh, duckies. Come on, duckies. Ducky. Hi, duckies. Anyway, so there's the back side of the pond. We've got it elevated now. I had forgotten that I hadn't showed you a video of doing all the work of hauling the extra loads of dirt in to make those trenches that I'm currently filling. But that's, of course, all this dirt is from the trenches in the front yard that we're filling this week. With first we put in brush at the bottom of the trenches, and then we put in we're putting in weeds right now. That's what I'm doing today. And then we followed it up, or we'll follow it up, I guess, depending upon the order you're watching videos in. We follow it up with wood chips. And wood chips would be about 6 inches on the top. And we just replenish those as need be. About 3 to 4 years later, we've got 2 cubic feet of good quality horticultural compost for every linear foot of walkway. I think that's pretty good arrangement. Anyway, gotta have something to plant baby trees in. Bilbo, Mr. Bilbo Baggins here. Hi. See, he wanted to come out here and watch us pull weeds. I know, because pulling weeds is where all the excitement is. Now that the shade is set in on this side of the house, I could start tackling some of these weeds over here. We're going to leave this fig tree. It's going to get a lot more sunshine now that the red bud's gone. We might actually see some figs out of it, by golly. That ought to be nice. Alright, and we're going to clean up this area here. Of course, we've already started this area here. We'll carry on over there, but I want to take you around front for just a minute. Cause. Alright, passing through here. So we still got some butterweed, lamb's quarter, and butterweed that's in here that needs to come out. Look at that, buckwheat. Okay. Elaeagnus multiflora, getting gobbled up by grasshoppers. Alright, we took the top off of that Helianthus tuberosa over yonder. Where are we at? Ah, right here. Right here. Here's what I wanted to look at. Sorry, guys. Alright. If you look over yonder, you will see. I don't need my gloves for this. You're going to see this stuff right here. This is You see that? That's daikon radish. It's gone to seed. And if I want to plant some more daikon radish later, after the heat breaks, perhaps in the fall, I can grab these. Alright. So I grab up a few of these, set them to the side before I get started with my weeding operation. And then later on, I can come by and I can cut this off at the base because it's done. There's a little root down there in the ground that'll rot off, and then I could put this in the compost and the walkway with everything else. Alright. Got a little breeze blowing through here. Let's see, I can't quite see properly, so let me bring this down a little bit. Bring this down and have a look-see here. I was just by weeding out front here earlier. Got to make sure that we had plenty of space for these peanut plants. These are all peanuts right here. That's right, regular old Virginia peanut. Little, oh look, see, little tiny yellow flower. Can you see the little yellow flower there? The yellow flowers on these. Little yellow flower down there. More little yellow flowers. And of course, whenever they get pollinated, they're going to make peanuts. That's what they do. So this is a nice little leguminous ground cover. It's an annual. It's just growing here for this year. And whenever I harvest it, it's gone. But it's going to make peanuts and nitrogen at the same time. You get nitrogen and protein. I mean, what's not to like about that? And this marvelous little plant is a Ricinius communis, just a regular old castor bean. Once you've got a few going, they reproduce prolifically. We do have these seeds available. Towering up above everything here, we're starting to see the flowers of our Canna indica pura, and there is a hummingbird visiting those ones over there on that far side. Let me see if I can zoom in. Oh, never mind, he's coming over here to visit us. Whew, I got some weeds pulled. Come on, let's go this way. So while you guys were out there looking for hummingbirds, we went ahead and pulled some weeds up here. We got them in this basket right here. It's a basket full of weeds. That's all it is, just a big basket full of weeds. Let's go ahead and pick her up. Brown stuff, green stuff, that's the way it works. There's the trench filled with woody debris and fresh greens all the way back to here. I'm gonna hop in. Oof. And make sure we got it packed down. It's packed down pretty good. Pretty good. All right. Moving around here. Base of the persimmon tree. That's persimmon tree. All right. Got this fennel right here. Fennel seed coming on. Woo. All right. And of course, this is as far as we've got with the wood chips filling in. There's our, look down this way, there's our path, the wood chip path. There we go. Cannas over here on the side. Yep, we got a few more cannas in here. I got to pull some more weeds down in this area. But of course, you've seen where they're all going, right down in there. There's a bit more green material before we start adding chips. All right, get that packed in good. Every one of these got to be packed in. So it may look like it's full for a minute, but once you get it packed down, fine. We got room for a little bit more here. All righty, guys. Hoorah! All right, yeah. See, I'm getting sweaty already. All right, good people. It's been Jason here with Green Country Agri-Report. As always, I hope you found today's video informative or entertaining, and of course, if you did, you knew what to do. I will catch you next time. Until then, get on out there and get growing.